Well, hi everybody. This is Kurt Cormany with Adash America, and what I want to talk about in this video is I just want to kind of go over the main features of the new VA3 data collector, or vibration analyzer, if you will. So this comes in a very nice hard shell case. Inside this case, if I can open this up without losing anything, you'll have, depending on your accessories, you have you have your charger, your unit, of course your sensor. You may have a speed sensor, such a laser tack, if you want to do balance work, and maybe an articulating clamp so you can mount your tack. I have a signal generator here, so I can check in the field I can check the calibration of the unit. These are all accessories, but they're great accessories. I'll pull the unit out and I'll show you a few things about the unit. So this unit right off the bat is less than 2 pounds. One of the best things about the unit is it's just so small and compact. So it's a professional level data collector. It'll give you 25,600 lines of resolution. It has 3 channels simultaneous data collect. Has three channels simultaneous processing in channel 2. So for instance, I have a triaxial accelerometer hooked up to this now, because in one of the future videos we're going to talk a little bit more in detail about the triaxial. But typically for most conventional data collection, you're normally going to use channel 1 in a single axis. This other channel here is a signal input for typically a laser tack, or maybe you're going to hook it up to another permanent mounted system where you're going to get a key phaser. Essentially this gives you shaft speed to where you can monitor shaft speed and utilize either some transient information, or you might want to use one of the modules, which would be a 2-plane balance module that you can opt to have with this unit. Another area that then this unit also has a standard mini USB cable. It's just a standard cable. That's how you communicate to your PC. And it has a really neat feature. It has an onboard infrared temperature sensor. So while you're collecting data, you can also trend and collect bearing temperature, or temperature on a case or other location that's of interest you may want to trend or just monitor. So there's your primary functions on the front of the unit. It also has a built-in stroboscope, so you can strobe shaft speeds. You can convert this to a flashlight. So if you're in a dark area, you want to look at let's say nameplate data for instance, or safety features. Maybe before you walk into a dark area, you can turn this on and it works as a strobe light. I mean as a torch light. The front of the unit has a very nice color display, and the keypad is very compact. So just with one thumb, left-handed or right-handed, you can pretty well maneuver and collect data and maneuver this unit just one-handed. This also comes with a nice leather holster, a nice leather case. I have it out of the case right now just so I can demonstrate the unit. So essentially, some of the other features of the unit is you can order the unit right out of the box. It's a meter, and it'll give you overall vibration levels and acceleration, displacement, velocity. It has an onboard diagnostic system. It's an expert system that will determine if you have unbalanced, misalignment, mechanical looseness, excessive bearing wear, excessive temperature. It has onboard alarms built into it, the ISO standard alarms. And it's a great unit right out of the box just as a meter. And then depending on the type of modules you want to add, you can either add a route-based module, which you can collect data as a professional level route data collector. And in that instance, you don't necessarily need the licensed software in order to upload and download routes. It comes with a free file sharing software. So if you have an analyst or somebody that has licensed software and they're managing the route, you can use this as a data collector without having to have the licensed advanced DDS software to use that. And then just to wrap up a few things, it also comes with an analyzer module. So if you're a consultant and you really don't need to do routes, but you do want to analyze data and utilize the high resolution, high frequency capabilities, you can do that with analyzer mode. It has a recorder mode, which is great, which is really a great feature. It enables you to record the data, and then you can analyze it. You can play it back later in the virtual software on your PC, and you can analyze it in that software and save the data for future viewing. So you really don't even need to set anything up, you can essentially just come on site, use that recorder mode, and you can, by the way, you can record up to 3 channels simultaneously and the speed sensor for phase, and you record the data and post-analyze it. So we've talked about the onboard meter, the onboard strobe, the expert diagnostic system, which is the facet system, the route-based module, the balance module, the recorder module, and analyzer module. So depending on how you configure this unit, it's a very capable, very professional unit. So thanks a lot for watching the video, and I really hope to, hopefully you'll watch a few more videos and get to know more about our product line. Thank you.